Hello, my friends. My name is Richard Weberg, for those of you who do not know me. And in today's video, what I want to do is show you how to make a cover image for your Facebook profile. So, what I've noticed a lot lately is, I get friend requests all the time from all kinds of different people. And I've noticed a lot of people, what you're seeing on your screen right now, of course, you're seeing my beautiful mug in the circle here where I got my photo uploaded in Facebook. And then you're seeing my cover image. Now, a lot of people that have been friend requesting me, I've noticed, I don't know, maybe a percentage of 30% of them don't have nothing here. It's blank, it's white, because maybe they don't know how to make a cover photo. And so I'm going to show you how to use Canva, which is free. You can use Canva totally for free, canva.com. And you can create cover photos or images. Like, I'll scroll down on my profile here, and you'll see that I have some images. Like, here's a YouTube thumbnail. This is displayed when I shared my YouTube video. That was made in Canva. This image here was made in Canva with backupyourmoney.com, which is a domain name I own that goes to our number one opportunity that me and my son are promoting, and we are building a massive team in. So I create a lot of images with this domain in it because it redirects people, if they type it in their browser, to the opportunity we are promoting. So you can see that I made this one as well. You can do all kinds of different things with Canva. Now, I'm certainly no pro at it. And literally, I'm not a pro member of Canva. My son is, and he makes better images than I do. And I'm not that talented when it comes to making any kind of image. So a lot of mine I make myself just using my free Canva, because I'm happy with what I make. Because I like to market a certain way, and I have a weird sense of humor, as you can see by my cover photo. EmoneyPeeps stands for our blog that me and my son have, and also our team in Got Backup, because we are EmoneyPeeps. We are making money online, and we are doing it from the comfort of our home or anywhere in the world using a digital device. And it's befitting of the word EmoneyPeeps. So that is our logo. And I created this after I had my first Facebook account hacked that I had since the beginning of Facebook. And I threw up another Facebook account after that. Long story, I've told it in other videos, but I'm not going to tell it now. Basically, somebody changed my password, everything, and took over my Facebook and my Facebook profile, and Facebook would not give it back. So I just created a new one. But anyway, this image I made in Canva for free, and you can make any kind of image. And if you're a marketer, you definitely want a cover photo, because it is real estate. Like, your whole profile is real estate that people can find what you're doing. Like, we have a link, your intro. I have a link to EmoneyPeeps, to our blog. I have backupyourmoney.com in the edit bio area, so people can see that. I do it in images, like I told you. This is real estate. So if you're a marketer, you definitely want to have a cover photo here. And, my other one used to have a button on it that said click here, and I'm going to change this one eventually. The reason I leave this one the way it is right now, because, yes, this is the real Richard Weberg, because of a lot of people try to impersonate me because of my marketing success. They try to go impersonate my profile and then go add my friends and add everybody else's friends and try to be me so that they can then spam them. And so I have this set up this way, so people know that this is me. And I'll eventually change this cover photo. But the real estate, what's good about a cover photo, especially if you're a marketer or you have your own business, network marketer, or you're doing sales of any kind, or you have a brand, you're a musician, is you can put a click here button to learn more on this image. And literally when somebody clicks on it, you can see I have this little blurb here, let's get it done, and a link to EmoneyPeeps. Now, I'll show you a friend of mine who has one set up that's a lot better, because I used to have one just like this where I had the button, and like I said, eventually I'll change it. But this is important real estate. So he's made a cover photo, and you click here to learn more. And when you do, again, it opens Facebook, because you can add a comment around your photo that you add here, and he has added information, and of course, and the link. So that gets a lot of attention, more so because of that click to learn more button. Or you can put a domain name across it, as I'll show you as an example when I walk you through creating a Facebook cover. So the first thing is, if you haven't joined Canva yet, just go to canva.com, and then once you get there, create an account and then log in. They'll probably, I'm not sure, I don't remember, I've had a Canva account for a long time. If they send you a confirmation email to confirm your email address, I can't remember. So when you go through the sign up process, it's free. You can get a pro account. Pro account is inexpensive, and basically then you get a lot more templates and other features that you're able to do. But for me right now, like I said, I just use it for free because it suits what I want to get done. And you can see it saves a lot of your recent designs, things I've made and created and put out there. So it saves a lot of them. But what they have that makes it so easy for you to create a cover photo is, once you have an account here, is they have a template free, for even a free version. They have templates for every kind of post. Social media, presentations, whiteboard, docs, websites. You can create all kinds of different stuff, and they have the identical size that's needed. So when you click on edit cover photo or upload a cover photo in your Facebook, it fits this perfectly and renders for all digital devices. Okay. One thing to keep in mind when making one of these, I'll show you how to start doing it in Canva, is the real estate here, as it shows, like on my good friend Robert Blakely's as well. You see that, he's got his button in the center. His photo picture down here is a little not intertwined with his, but mine is a tiny bit. So you don't want any important words like where the circle may show up. So you try to keep the prime real estate right in here somewhere. And just like Robert's, shows up really excellent. And then I'll show you how to do this in Canva right now. This is very simple to do. So when you're logged into Canva, you either go to social media by clicking on this button here. You can use this scroll back and forth on the edge here and go through until you find the template you're looking for, like a YouTube banner, a graph, a YouTube thumbnail. That's for videos. That's how I usually make any, if I do. And then you got Facebook cover right here, or if we click on the social media, you could find it. And I'll click on that. And again, there's Facebook cover. And all you do is click on create. Now, what happens is there'll be some templates here. And any template that has a little crown, like that one, if you can see that tiny crown that shows up, see my mouse cursor over here, you see that tiny crown? That means that's only for people who are pro members. Now, you can create your own right here on the screen like I did when I created this. That's an image that I took of this monkey here, and I'll just do it again. But otherwise, you could use a template like that, click on it. That one's not pro. Let's say you wanted your name really highlighted on Facebook. You could go, I'll just delete some of this out of here first, and then type Richard Weberg right where I'm at. And then delete that other stuff out of there. And there's my name. So now my name's there. I could put a link here. I could put click here for more information. If I was branding myself, you can, it's just simple. Click on, look, click this, type. I'm just typing. You can change the size, highlight it, go up here. You see this font size. I go like that. Look, it gets bigger, 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 bigger. We could just delete it. It's basically, you can't make a mistake, and you can always start over. That's the beauty of Canva. It's awesome. If you don't have a Canva account, and get one, play around with it, no matter if you're not a marketer or not, because it's awesome. So I could highlight this. I don't like it. You don't want nothing there. Just delete it. Okay. Now I could move this. Look at, just click on it, drag it around, You can play around with this. Like I said, you make a mistake, just hit this back up here. See this undo? I could go undo, 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 puts the words back. Again, I'm going to delete that. And now I'm back to this, but I put that up a little higher. Now, let's say I wanted to add something here. I have things uploaded already. You could come over here and upload something. See this left-hand menu, different things that you can play around with. Click on upload. I can come in here, find something I've already uploaded. And let's go find something recently that I can use. Right, my domain name, because that's eventually going to go in my new cover photo whenever I make it. And I could literally just put that right in there. I could put it in that little space, and that could be my cover photo. I could change the background color, I believe, on this one. Let's see if I can. We'll click on that, click on this, and we'll try to change the background color. That's why I just clicked on this up here. Let's say we're going to go blue. Blue shows up great. Now let's say I want to go lighter blue. I could just go to this one. I could click on this one, and then I could actually click on this as well and play with this button. See this button? Now it's making it lighter. I'm making it blue like that. I really like that blue. I could make it lighter like this. I can make this, let's see if I can bold this. This is probably not because it's already cursive. So we can't bold that. Some cursive you can't bold. But I could have a cover photo just like that. People then can type that in. And also when they click on here, if they did, I could put my domain name there when I upload it. But once you have something you like, I mean, you can add your photo to it. Let's say you want to remove the background of a photo, like this photo right here. If you see in my uploads of mine, this one has a background removed. All you got to do is go in the search browser and there, because in here, if you want to remove the background of a photo that you already have existing, so it's transparent, so you could slap it on something without the background, you'd have to be a pro member. You could try Canva Pro for free. Otherwise, there is a free background remover online I've used before. I'll just type in free background remover. And let's go see which one it was. I believe it is that one right there. I'm pretty sure it's this remove.bg. I'm pretty sure this is the one I use to remove for free, and all you do is upload it, and then you remove the background, and then you can place that image on something. But there's a million different things you can do back here in Canva. I absolutely love Canva. Once you have it done, an image that you like, you just go up to the share button, click on it, and click on download. And then you'd go like that, and then click download, and it'll download it to your computer. And you can download it and put it in the file folder that you want. And then you go over to your Facebook and you literally click on edit cover photo. Or if you don't have one, I don't know what it says. Maybe it says add cover photo, or it may just say edit cover photo, and you click on that, and then you click and upload one that you have saved to your computer. And it's truly that simple, and you can have any kind of cover photo that you want. Just think outside the box. You literally can put photos on there. If you wanted to showcase your family, you can make this background right here, your family, by just uploading a file from your computer, and then it would show up here, and then you could just take that and drag it over here, and you can see you can make photos bigger. Like if you wanted your background to be a photo, I could do that. You know, this isn't me, of course. This is an image I grabbed from the net to make a goofy post on my Facebook right here, because he sings a song that talks about how the dollar don't have any value anymore and why it's so important, in my mind, to be doing more like we do with backupyourmoney.com. But again, you can add a photo. Could be you and your family. You could still put a name. You can do whatever you want back here in Canva. It's totally awesome, but I'm not going to keep this anyway. And you just drag and drop, just like I showed you, and it's got these little white things that can move the photo. So I don't know if I spelled that out a second ago. Brain's kind of not with me right this second. But so anyway, that's all. Just throw it off to the side. You can move anything over. Here's a picture of me and my wife. I could pop that in there. I mean, I could pop these kids in here, that best international opportunity, and put that as the entire background, put my domain across it. Just think outside the box and you can create something awesome. And you can change it at any time. Anytime you get sick of that cover photo, you just go back to your Facebook. And that's the great thing, and edit your cover photo. And like I said, if you're a marketer, use this real estate like old Robert did here. Like I said, mine eventually will have that in there. I just don't, it's not as critical for me right this moment for me to do it, because I use almost my entire Facebook account is used nothing but for business and conversing with marketer friends of mine, some family and friends, but mostly my Facebook is used for business reasons and the friendships that I've developed through a lot of other marketers. So other than that, my friends, if you haven't joined us and got back up yet, leave a link under the video, and you can just click on it. It'll be in the description, or you can go to backupyourmoney.com and it'll redirect to our Got Back Up free tour page, where you can take the free tour so you can learn more about what we're doing, because our team is absolutely crushing it and we'd love to have you on board with us. And other than that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook. That way you know every time I'm putting out a new video. If you found this video helpful, just subscribe, and I always leave usually links to stuff in my description in my YouTube underneath the video. So other than that, my friends, we will see you in another video, and have a great day.